Millions of videos on TikTok get millions of views. But have you ever wondered, how much money do these creators actually make? $100? $1,000? Today I'm going to show you the real numbers. And trust me, some of them are going to surprise you. TikTok has two main payment systems. The first one is the Creator Fund, the old system. It launched in 2021, but the payouts were really low. It paid somewhere between 2 and 4 cents per 1,000 views. That means 1 million views equals just $20 to $40. Creators were not happy about it. The second one is the Creator Rewards Program, the new system. It launched in 2023. The requirements are stricter, but the payouts are much better. It pays between 40 cents and $1 per 1,000 views. So 1 million views can now earn you between $400 and $1,000. So what do the real numbers actually look like? A video with 100,000 views can earn anywhere from $4 to $100. Yes, that's a pretty wide range. At 1 million views, you're generally looking at somewhere between $40 and $1,000. And if your video really blows up and hits 10 million views, earnings can go from $400 all the way up to $10,000. So why such a big difference? Because TikTok doesn't just look at view count. It looks at how long people watched, whether they commented, whether they shared, how much time they spent on the video. All of that matters, and the location of your viewers makes a huge difference too. Views from the United States are generally worth a lot more. Views from other countries don't always pay the same. Of course, not everyone can join this program. TikTok has some requirements. First, you need at least 10,000 followers. You also need your videos to have received at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Another important requirement is that your videos must be at least 1 minute long, because TikTok is now trying to reward longer content with higher watch time. You also need to be at least 18 years old, and you need to be living in a country where the program is supported. So simply posting videos isn't enough. You need to have built an audience and be getting consistent views. And here's the most interesting part. TikTok doesn't actually pay you that much per view. In fact, most of the time what you earn is less than you'd expect. But if you create the right content and apply the right strategy, this platform can genuinely change your life. So how much does YouTube pay for 1 million views? Or can you actually make real money on Instagram? We're going to cover all of that in the next videos of this series. If you found this video helpful, I have just 2 small things to ask. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, because the next video might completely change the way you think about making money online. That's all from me for now. See you in the next one.